Speaker adapter. Made specifically for 6-6 3/4 speakers. Made from high-grade materials for a long-lasting secure fit. Factory-style finishes. Color: black. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent. Front adapter fits perfect for 6.5 inches speakers on Toyota HL 2019. No modification needed. Truly plug and play. Perfect fit for a 2016 Toyota Highlander. Used these to swap out the crappy stock speakers in my wife's Highlander. They fit perfectly and felt pretty solid. Good product. Fits 2015 Camry front doors. These are great. They fit 2015 Camry front doors. I had to remove all the tabs so the 6.5 speakers could fit. Not the flimsy kind, but not as heavy duty as others I've used. They're priced just right.